Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about the first PUC physics experiment that is known as spherometer. This is a spherometer. Okay. This is a spherometer. This is a pitch scale. Here total 20 divisions are there. This is taken as 0. 0 is taken as 10, 20. Total 20 divisions are there. Okay. This is a pitch scale and divisions are pitch scale, readings are PSD. Okay. And this is a head scale. This is a rotatable. Okay. Here you may know that is 0 to 100 total 50, 60, 80, 90, 20. Here total 100 divisions are there. Okay. Head scale divisions. Okay. If you rotate one rotation completely, okay, then you will get one pitch number open. Okay. If you give two rotations, two divisions are moving in a pitch scale. Like that, how many rotations you are giving, that number pitch variation you are seeing in a pitch scale. Okay. Here I will show. This is the formula, least count. LC equal to P by N in a millimeter. Here total reading TR equal to PSR plus HSD into LC in millimeter. This is the formula, where PSR means pitch scale reading and HSD means head scale division or reading. Okay. And after that, here one more formula is there. Radius of curvature of a spherical surface, capital R equal to L square by 6h plus h by 2 in millimeter. Okay. And this is a general diagram of a spherometer, pitch scale, head scale. Okay. This is support, and here legs are there, 3 legs. Okay. And this is the aim to determine the radius of curvature of a given spherical surface by a spherometer. Okay. This is a apart procedure. Now I will show how to calculate this preliminary observation, that is least count. Here total number of head scale divisions is n equal to 100, as I already shown here. Total 80, 90. After that, here after 90, 0 is there. 0 means 100, one complete rotation. Okay. The total divisions are 100, and total number of rotation given. Here I am giving 2 complete rotation. Okay. Here 0 is there. It is at 9th. Okay. Now I will rotate once. One division movement we are observing here. Initially it is at 9th division. Now it is at the 10th division. Okay. The same way I will give one more rotation. Okay. Now it is at 11th division, means I given 2 complete rotation, 2 divisions movement I observed in a pitch scale. Okay. Like that, here total number of divisions given, rotations given 2, and distance covered on the pitch scale, that is 2 millimeter. How many rotations we are giving, that number variation we are observing in a pitch scale, that is S by N, 2 by 2, that becomes 1. Least count is P by N, 1 by P means pitch value, 1 is there. N means total number of divisions, 1 by 100, that gives 0.01 millimeter. Okay. Like that you have to calculate the least count of a spherometer. Then I will show now how to find out the readings. Okay. This is a spherical surface, okay, glass piece. Okay. We have to place this spherometer here. Okay. This is the reading with object. This is a reading with object. Here we have to check the each legs with a paper piece, whether it is passing through that or not. Okay. Not passing. Okay. Here little bit passing. I have to variation. I have to do the variation. Now it is not passing. Okay, like that you have to check the each legs. Okay, means it is all legs are located correctly. Now we have to measure the readings. Okay, this is at a 8th division. From here to you have to count 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. I will note the 8 as a PSR plus HSD, means here it is at exactly at 50. 50 division is there. I will note it as a 50 into LC 0.01. That becomes 8 plus 50 into 50 into 0.01. That becomes 0.5. 0.5, and this value becomes 8.5. This is the total reading we have to measure with object, means by using this spherical glass surface. This is with object reading. Okay, in the same way you have to calculate 3 readings. Okay, then you have to do the mean. 3 readings with object. Okay, now I will show how to take the readings in the spherometer without object. Without object means you have to keep the spherometer on a plain surface, glass surface or wooden surface or any other surface which is in the form of plain surface. Okay, now we have to check the paper. Here little bit passing is there, we have to check again. Okay, now it is fully located, all legs are located. Okay. Now we have to measure the readings. The pitch scale is near to 11. I am writing it as a 11. Okay, 11 is there, plus now HSD, head scale division is 94 is there. Okay, 94. Okay, 94 into 0.01. 11 plus here 94 into 0.01, that becomes 0.94. Okay, 0.94, again that becomes 11.94. This is the reading without object. Here after finding this you have to do the subtraction. Your formula is there, height h1 minus h2. You have to do whichever the higher, you have to take first that one and you have to subtract the lower values. Here in this reading here value is without object. I am naming it as a h1, here h2. You have to do the h2 minus h1 for getting the h value. Okay. If this is a higher value, you have to take h1 minus h2. Okay. That is applicable. The same way we have to do the different readings. Okay. Now I will show the general readings which I explained in physics laboratory to my students. Okay. This is the aim of the experiment, to determine the radius of curvature of a given spherical surface by a spherometer. Okay, by using spherometer we have to find the radius of curvature of a given spherical surface, and the apparatus required for this experiment is spherometer. This is the instrument, and spherical surface. Okay, concave mirror. It is like a concave mirror. Okay. Next procedure, as you know that step by step you have to do the performance. Okay. Next, these are the steps in doing the experiment. Next, this is a formula. As you know that in vernier calipers we found the least count. Okay, p by n. Here also we have to find the least count, that is p by n. P means pitch, n means total number of divisions. Okay, next another formula is total reading. We know that we want to find the total reading. Okay, tr equal to psr plus hsd, means head scale division, into lc. This is a plus symbol. Okay, this is a formula. Next one is, after finding all those things, we have to find the radius of curvature r. That formula is L square by 6h plus h by 2. Okay, this is the formula, and this is a diagram, as you already familiar with that one. This is a pitch scale. Total 20 divisions are there. Okay, from here we have to start counting the divisions. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, total 20 divisions. And this is the head scale division. Head scale, this is a head scale. Circular disc is there. Here 0 to 100 divisions are there. Here 90 is there. After 0 is there. 0 means 100. Okay, again 5, 10, like that it will start. Okay, this is the diagram, and this is the observation. Okay, total number of divisions on a head scale is 100. Total number of rotations given. How many rotations you are giving, that much of pitch divisions are opening in a pitch scale. Okay, for example, 2 rotations you given, then 2 divisions are opening in a that pitch scale, means 2 divisions movement we are observing. Okay, next pitch 2 by 2. Okay, if you take 5 by 5, then also 1. If you take any number of rotations, the pitch value is always 1. Okay, then least count p by n, 1 by 100, that becomes 0.01 millimeter. This is the least count of Spherometer. Okay, next tabular column is there. Here the mainly things are 2 types, h1 and h2. One is with object. With object means by using a spherical surface we have to find the total reading. Okay, next without object means plain surface. You may take a glass surface or any other flat surface, plain surface. Okay, here we have to do the subtraction, height, higher minus lower, it may be h1 or h2. Okay, you have to take the difference. Here with object, the PSR is 9, HST is 99, that becomes 9.9 total reading. And you have to do the 3 trials, first, second and 3 trials. Then here also without object on the plane surface we have to do the readings. Okay, here the pitch reading is 11, HST is 27, that becomes 11.27. Here the value, higher value is h2. In such cases you have to do the h2 minus h1. Anyone is applicable. Okay, like that. This is the mean h. Okay, mean h value. Here this is the h column, height. You have to take the mean of these 3 readings. Okay, here 3 trials are there. We have to add 3 values and we have to do the division by 3. Okay, this is a calculation procedure. TR equal to PSR plus HST into LC. Okay, and after doing this one, you have to place your instrument spherometer on a blank page or graph sheet. Okay, then you have to push little bit the surface, means after pushing on the surface you will get 3 points. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, legs, when the legs makes an points, you have to draw those points with help of scale, that looks like a triangle. Okay, here a triangle ABC is there. Okay, this is a triangle ABC, and you have to calculate the length of each side of an triangle, that almost all remains same. Here 3.4 is there. This is also 3.4, this is also 3.4. Okay, you have to do the mean values of these three. Again we will get the same values, 3.4, and that is the length. This length is in centimeter. We have to convert it into the meter. Okay, we have to do that simplification. And divided by 6h. 6 into h means that mean value. Okay, that value plus h by 2. Okay, here they missed the conversion for okay. No, they only kept here in millimeter. Like that, you can also convert here directly in terms of meter, and you have to do the simplification. That is also applicable. Okay, then final value is okay. Here they took in a millimeter, and finally they converted to the meter. Okay, this value divided by 1000, that becomes 0.002145. This is the radius of curvature of a given spherical surface. Like that, we have to do the experiment. Thank you.